My name is Aung La N Sang, and I'm from Crazy Weight from Elkridge, Maryland. And my prediction for the fight is a knockout first round from my right hand.
Wow, he's like calling a shot, man.
He's predicting a right-hand knockout.
Wow.
Aung La N Sang. You know what, James? When I was talking to him earlier today, and I tried to pronounce his name, I got it on point the first time. He's fighting out of Team Crazy 88. It's a branch of Team Lloyd Irvin. And you know what, James? If you look at his record and look at his age, his fight history is very similar to Jason Lauk. N Sang 13-8. Yo, check this out. All 13 of his wins, no fight has gone to decision. 13 wins, 13 stoppages, 8 submissions, 5 KOs.
I was actually at his last fight against Jesus Martinez.
Jesus is a tough opponent, too.
Yes, he is very tough. Jesus dropped him, he recovered, got back up, and I'm dropping Jesus. I think it was with a knee to the stomach, put Jesus on his back and finished by TKO.
Yep, combined, both these guys as professionals, 29 wins combined as professionals. Out of those 29 wins, 27 finishes.
That's
so
pretty amazing.
You know what, man? The odds of this fight going to the decision are slim and none.
This is a great fight to cap off the night, I'm telling you right now. And he actually has, and you know, I don't want to talk about his losses too much, but some of his losses are actually the top-ranked fighters. Constance Philippou.
Yeah, who's a banger in the UFC.
Right. I'm sorry, Costas, I apologize.
Costa Philippou.
And a couple local fighters, regional fighters as well.
Lauk 29, La N Sang 27. Height and weight almost identical. Dr. Dave Sarnoff is going to introduce the fighters very briefly.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now the moment you've all been waiting for. The main event of the evening is scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds in the welterweight division. Referee in charge of the action once the bell rings, the Irishman, Todd McGovern. And now, here we go, standing to my right, in the blue corner, weighing in at a solid 170.6 pounds, fighting out of Biddendorf, Iowa, Jason Lauk. And now his adversary, across the ring, standing to my left, in the red corner, weighing in at 170.4 pounds, fighting out of Elkridge, Maryland, the Burmese Python, Aung La N Sang.
Yo, James, this is going to be a great fight. Referee Todd McGovern bringing both fighters to the center of the cage.
You know the rules in the locker room. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Protect yourself at all times. Listen to my command at all times. Smack gloves and wait on my call.
Lauk in the black shorts.
Main event action.
Lauk in the black shorts. La N Sang in the white. This is going to be a barn burner, James.
These guys have more experience than some champions.
Absolutely.
Do, which is amazing.
Absolutely.
And it's a bad experience. You get that experience.
You know what's amazing about La N Sang? He fought most of his career light heavyweight up until 2009. Then he dropped to middleweight. This is one of his first fights at welterweight, and he's got over 20 professional fights.
The shin kick. It's gotta hurt, man. Shin to shin. That's
yeah, but Lauk's thrown that a million times, and now La N Sang's felt it a million times. These guys have been around the block.
The thing about Aung La N Sang that kind of worries me sometimes is he'll just throw out a barrage of punches, and he's got to be careful with that, because someone with pinpoint striking is going to be able to take him out.
Well, Lauk just landed a nice left hand there. Lauk in the southpaw stance. See if that poses any problems for La N Sang.
He's also got to be careful too, because Lauk gets him in a clinch. He loves that dirty boxing. That's Militich bread and butter right there. Wrestling and dirty boxing, man.
Locke looks to brawl. Oh, and
looks
Sang
like-
hurt him.
Aung
He
Sang.
hurt Locke.
This is a battle already. These guys are putting some stink on it, man.
Aung La N Sang looks very relaxed in there, James. Very relaxed. Locke rushing in,
little
trying to throw a
haymaker
little
there.
combination. This is going to be a fight. Who gets who first?
Well, Aung La N with a nice right. Tries for the uppercut. Head kick. Missed it.
Yeah, that was blocked. I see what you're saying, man. Aung La N Sang leaves his chin up. He leaves his chin up high. You'd think as much experience as he's had, he'd be able to tuck that chin a little bit better. When he throws his flurries, his combinations, he lifts his chin up.
I mean, you got some guys that have really solid jaws, really solid chins, but sometimes you just can't always go by that.
Yeah, both guys have been knocked out.
Oh, nice right.
And both guys smile at each other. They're having fun in there.
He is backing Lauk up, which may or may not, sway the judges at all. But if Lauk is able to connect with some good shots, Aung Sang, my Lord!
Big right
That's
hand.
it!
That's
Aung
it.
Sang by knockout. Whoa!
Big right hook.
My Lord! That
Right
was a
hook.
devastating win.
Landed
Oh,
on
he got
Lauk's
flattened.
face, and that's
Oh.
the end of it. Before the big right hand, looked like he hit with a body shot. Body shot followed up with a big right hand that connected flush on the jaw. Lauk crumbled. Referee steps in and stops the fight. We're going to see a replay of that in just a second.
Wow.
And there's Aung Sang dedicating this fight to the Kachin refugees in Burma.
Burma, man, there's a lot of things going on out there, man.
Aung Sang felt that his opponent was well-rounded, but he felt that he was more well-rounded. That was a back-and-forth fight, James. It was just a matter of who caught who first.
That was a beautiful finish by Aung Sang. I got to be honest, that was a great finish. And in my opinion, I wasn't sure.
We're going to cue up the replay here. Boom. Aung Sang, big right hand, and that was it. The big right hand on the chin.
I didn't see the body shot,
No,
though.
I didn't see the body shot. That was a right. That was a right. Boom. That was the big right hand. One shot. That was it. The big one shot. Hurt him, crumbled him, and that was it.
Got to be careful. Some of the refs do more damage sometimes.
Absolutely. Aung Sang improves his record to 14-8. Lauk drops to 16-10.
Great finish by Aung Sang. Great finish.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just got word that the after party, they can handle as many people that wants to go there. So anybody wants to go to Frankie's, I'll see you over there. Now, winner in the first round after 2 minutes and 30 seconds, the Burmese Python, Aung La N Sang.